are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Ecash coin, guys. In this video, we are shortly talking about XEC coin, guys. First of all, we're talking about the price update, and after that, we will shortly predicate it. XEC coin is in the future. There is possibilities that the price of XEC coin will pump or dump. So let's start the video, guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly I request everybody to subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. Guys, at this time, if you're talking about the currently live and latest price of XEC Ecash coin in the market, so 0.000191 USD dollar, that is the currently latest price of XEC coin, 0.84% positive changes. That's mean, you know what, in the last 24 hours changes of XEC coin is start positive. So this means, guys, that my prediction about Ecash coin is I predicated in my previous videos. My prediction is going 100% right. That in the last of October, Ecash coin price will pump. So it is October last week of October, and obviously, as you can see here, last 24 hours from yesterday, Ecash coin start positive changes. That's great for all of you. I hope you are feeling very well about Ecash coin, and I want congratulations to all Ecash coin holders, guys. Furthermore, you can see here for market cap, fully diluted market cap, both is positive. And trading volume, you know what, trading volume becomes again positive, 6% trading volume positive. So this means that a lot of people are again starting investing in the Ecash coin. So after people investing, that's mean that huge pump is coming soon. So for a long time, I believe that Ecash coin will continue this pump. That's why I recommend holding for all of you. Just hold for a long time. I'm sure that Ecash coin will give you unbelievable profit. So just hold, never decide to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Ecash coin? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.